He said, I spent 10 years planting seeds in the rain, talking about butterflies while they worship the machine. Built a little kingdom nobody could see. Now the signal getting louder from the roots underneath. Them laugh when the lion sleeping in the shade. Didn't understand the silence was the way he was made. Don't need to perform, no need to pretend. Truth don't break, cause it don't have to bend. And I say, hey, you can feel it in the waveform now. Hey, something rising from the underground. Whoa, hey, all the fragmented walls fall down when the sleeping lion wakes. Sitting in a van with the winter outside, gray beard, old soul, the fire in his eyes, talking about coherence to the hypnotized. Everybody's searching but they can't find. He said, you can know and not be, that's true, but you can't not be and not know you. People hear the words, but the deeper thing move like a deep baseline vibration, running clean through the room. And I say, hey, you can feel it in the waveform now. Oh, hey, something rising from the underground. Oh, hey, all the fragmented walls fall down when the sleeping lion wakes. Facebook shut the gate, thought the signal would die, but the roots grow deeper when you bury them alive. Now the field responding one by one, like brains on a cymatic plate. When the stable frequency comes, the butterfly whisperer walking through the storm, talking about a kingdom not yet born. Not religion, not theater, not another disguise, just alignment to a tone that creation recognizes. The young ones listening with tears in their eyes, cause the world too loud and everybody traumatized. But beneath all the noise and the artificial games, there's a quiet tickle signal still calling out their names. So the lion keeps sleeping till the timing complete. No need to run fast when the pattern already deep. Truth moves slow, but they cut like a blade, and the whole wide system built on fear to start fade. Then I say, you can feel it in the waveform now. Hey, something rising from the underground. Hey, all the fragmented walls fall down when the sleeping lion wakes. Oh, when the sleeping lion wakes. Oh, no force, no hate, just the feel, remembering its shape. And when it does, the whole world shakes.